What?
It's the 100-day of school and
You know you're getting heavy. I still can't be doing this. You know that, right?
yeah.
How was school?
Good.
School was good.
Yeah.
You feel like £1,000,000.
I am not
I'm joking. How was school? School was good.
Yeah.
You have no snacks in your bag?
No.
No snackies?
No.
What? How was school today?
No.
School was good?
No.
What happened at school? What happened?
No, my God.
Your car? Your car is in the garage. What happened at school today?
Huh?
How was school today?
None.
You saw all your friends?
No.
Yeah? Who didn't come to school today?
Amy.
Amy didn't come to school?
Uh-uh.
Oh, yeah?
Uh-uh.
Okay. Okay, what kind of juice you want? What kind of juice you want? What kind of juice you want, bro?
Yeah.
Orange juice? You sure? So when he comes home from school, guys, I try to put him to stand in his Rifton chair. Yeah? Mobile stander. Yeah? That is it right there. And that's the name of the chair. Rifton. Huh? You want to see you? So when he comes home from school, I try to put him in his stander so that he can, gain some strength in his legs. So it's also help him to see what it's like to be upright. Yeah, what's that? You gonna cook? Yeah. So he say he wants some juice now. Hey, boy, hey. I'm gonna give him some. He say he wants juice and he say he wants tea. I don't know what he's going on with right now. But yeah. You good, bro?
No.
You're not good. Alex! Come here. He's home now. I'm gonna let him just be in his stander for maybe half an hour. And then I'm gonna take him out, give him a bath, and let him unwind for the rest of the evening. Hey, what you doing? What you doing in the sink? What you doing in the kitchen sink, bro? What you doing in the sink? You gonna cook?
Yeah.
What are you gonna cook now?
Banana.
Banana? Banana and what? And what?
I do.
Oh yeah? Okay. You want pizza?
No.
I don't have no pizza, man.
I
You
just
got it?
opened it out. When you try,
You got it? You sure?
tell me when it's out. This looks like an ash. This looks like a rock if you're going to spit.
Okay, here you go, Pops. Here's orange juice. Okay.
That's how he said it because of the line thing.
Thank you, Alex. Appreciate it. You alright?
I want yogurt.
You want yogurt too?
Yeah.
Okay, let me get it. You good? Okay. You want me to take out the band out of your ear? You sure? It's not too tight? You sure? Okay. Alright. I'm going in the living room, alright? You coming? Come on. There he is right there. He's in his Rifton mobile thunder. And I'm giving him like half an hour. And after that, I'm going to take him out, and that's it for him. Turn on back the light, Pops. Turn on back the light, man.
No.
All right, I'm going to turn on this one, then. You good?
Yeah. No.
You're not good?
No.
Why not? Eh? Why are you turning off all the lights for? Huh? You good? You don't want me to take out the
No.
thing out of your ear? You sure?
No.
Yeah? Give me some of your yogurt because you're not going to eat it. No? Wow.
No.
I'm going to get one for myself. Bye.
No.
I like how it tastes. I'm going to get one for myself.
I got it.
Right? I'm going to get one for myself. I like how it tastes, bro. I like how it tastes. Yeah. Right? Nice. I like it, guys. You good? Hmm? Who's that? Is that you, Papa? Is that you and Grandma? What? That's you and Grandma. What? That's me right there. What? That's beautiful. Yeah.
Not me.
That's you?
Where are you?